Bitmoji from Snapchat. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Bitmoji from Snapchat. So this is very easy, let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon. After that, you have to tap on this top right settings icon at the top corner. After that, you have to scroll down and here you can see option called my app. Here you can see, tap on this my app icon, and here you can see at the bottom option called my Bitmoji. Tap on this Bitmoji icon and here you can see unlink my Bitmoji. Simply tap on this and here you have to remove this Bitmoji from there. In this way you can remove your Bitmoji, remove and delete your Bitmoji from Snapchat. Tap on this, simply tap on this remove icon. Now here you can see my Bitmoji has been removed from my Snapchat account. In this way you can remove or delete your Snapchat Bitmoji.